Hi, it's Anika, and welcome to the 5th video of Math and Coding's Java programming course. In a program, there comes a time where we have to change the flow of the program. For example, let's say we want to create a program that turns on a lamp. It checks whether the lamp was plugged in or the bulb was burned out. Whether the lamp was plugged in and whether the bulb was burned out, each leads to a new path. If statements are used to control the flow of a program. Let's test one out right now. Let's first set a variable x to be the next number a user inputs. Then, let's make an if statement that prints out something if the number is less than 0, greater than 0 and less than 100, or greater than 100. The syntax for an if statement is if with the condition in the parentheses followed by what should happen if the condition is met. So, in this case, we have if x is less than 0, something occurs. If we are checking more than one thing, which we are doing, we can use an else if statement right after the if statement. This shows that the condition of the first if statement wasn't met. The last part of an if-else statement is else. Else doesn't need a condition because it's everything other than what if and else if were. So, all we need to write is this. Here's a mini project. We'll make an adventure game with if-else statements. We'll present the users with scenarios and have them print out their choices. Based on their choices, their fate will change. You can pause the video and get started. Okay, let's check this out. First, we want to get user input. Then we want to give the user a scenario. Let's say they're in a maze with a dungeon. On the left, there's a pink fluffy rainbow, and to the right, there's a velociraptor. We want something to happen if the user goes left, and something else to happen if the user goes right. Hence, we'll write if in.nextLine equals left, then something happens. Then we'll write else, something else happens. With this program, you can keep on going. So, for example, after spontaneously combusting, you can ask the user if they want to lose one of their lives or just end the game. So you'd have another pair of if and else statements inside there. In the next video, we'll go over more methods of changing the flow of a program. And I deeply apologize for my lack of creativity in this Dungeons & Dragons game, but thank you for watching.